The hearings in the same-sex petitions case. As it comes to final hearings, the petitioners have requested the Supreme Court to at least give a declaration to, in a sense, grant recognition to same-sex relationships. That's under consideration. But also the government arguing today, making the point that any decision on legalizing same-sex marriages can only be done by Parliament.
But a very significant advance because it was also dealing
Arguments in the same-sex marriage case before the Supreme Court's Constitution bench entered their final phase on day 9 today.
Refused to perform the ceremony of marriage.
In court, the petitioners gave various options to the Constitution bench to consider in case they don't agree with the dilution of the Special Marriages Act to facilitate same-sex marriages.
If you don't agree to SAP, I am making that suggestion as an alternative. Suggestion is this. That, my Lord, Your Lordship grant us a declaration that we have a right to marry. Now, my Lord, we require in reality some state recognition, a document that yes, you have got married.
Any declaration of law would bind every individual in the country who is not before your lordships. In case of a law, every individual is represented by his chosen representative. That is the first issue.
The request came as the Constitutional bench had some important legal queries on its inherent powers and what it could do with the Special Marriages Act, including Section 21A that deals with succession in certain cases.
Then neither are we reading down, nor are we reading up, nor are we striking down 21A.
No, so let me leave aside option 3. Let us say that your lordship keeps 21A.
Dr. Singhvi, we are not writing a blog, we are writing a judgment.
This legal point was stressed by Member of Parliament Sasmit Patra, an advocate opposing the same-sex marriages, who said Parliament had the capacity to undertake this exercise.
Is the impact on public policy due to legislative absence. Your lordships, let's assume for a moment we have a declaration. How do we execute that declaration?
The Constitution bench hopes to conclude the hearings tomorrow, and the final verdict is expected after the courts resume from the summer vacations.
Slightly different point, therefore I would...
In New Delhi, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.